Good afternoon. I'm really excited to see your responses on what makes for an important criteria in developing a service evaluation. And I got great response. It was pretty consistent, actually, among those who responded. And they include attitude or personality of the person you're interacting with, that you receive consistent service, timeliness and attentiveness, and especially the fact that there is such a thing as being too attentive. So making sure that it's thoughtful, being proactive in service, and then also being able to problem solve, which I think are all really great criteria. And so this is how it's going to work. I have posted the service evaluation and updated it, and it is a discussion guide, and I have it pulled up on the screen so that you can see. When you click on discussions, you see the pinned discussion here at the top, and you see service evaluations, and you are able to post your service evaluation and then interact with your peers as you read their encounters as well. And you get graded based on both your service interactions or service evaluations, as well as your comments and questions and interactions on your peers' service evaluations. And so just to give you a good feel, I'll start it off and I'll share with you an experience that I had just last week. So we went to a restaurant, pretty basic, not fine dining, and it's called Harry's Hofbrau. And I don't know if you've ever been there, but it's really a cafeteria style restaurant, which, as you can imagine, during COVID really had to change a lot of their practices. And so when you go into the restaurant, you queue up in the line, and the line is all 6 feet apart, and then you tell the people, the first person, what you intend to order, and they put a tray on the top of the glass counter, and they move it down as you go down the line of food. Just like a cafeteria. I'm not sure what your cafeteria at the Four Seasons is like, but I've been in many hotels and the cafeterias are pretty similar. And so when we went there, I have to say that it's always consistent food. My companion always gets the turkey dinner, because if you are really craving a full Thanksgiving feast, but you don't want to go through the work of all of that, hassle of making all those things and having it ready, just one plate, you're good to go there. Attitude and personality of the staff, I have to say, was very good. It's always very good. There's not as much interaction as a sit-down restaurant. So I think there was maybe a few less touch points. I will say that there is a attendant that comes around and takes your trays and the food warmer cover, and did come over and saw that I didn't finish my salad and offered me a box. And as I was going up to get it, he said, no, I'll get it. And he refilled my companion's drink as well, which was nice. There was not an ability for me to evaluate problem solving because I just didn't really have any problems, but I will say the service was timely and attentive, like I just shared with you, and that was a little bit proactive as well. So that is an example of a service evaluation. And the final question you should answer: would you go back, or would you recommend it? And I can say that I would, and I have repeatedly. And so you're able to post that as a discussion on this forum. And I can't wait to hear some of your stories that you have to share. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.